This one is a simple one. I'm going old school and putting my own little twist on this one. Coleslaw. I love a coleslaw, but I want to put my twist on a coleslaw because of the folks at Kiss and these lovely jumbo buns. I want to be able to make a surf and turf sandwich with some coleslaw, but I'm going to make it all in one. So I'm going to make a surf and turf coleslaw sandwich with these lovely jumbo buns. So let's get started. So simple coleslaw. And before I do the coleslaw, I want to tell you what I'm doing because I have some shrimp that I really just sorted up very nicely. Simple shrimp and some rotisserie chicken. You could use some chicken breast, leftover chicken, that kind of thing. Don't make it too difficult. But these shrimp sorted up nicely. And I really just want to put a nice little chop on the shrimp just to probably make it the same size as the chicken bites kind of thing. Sandwich bite size kind of thing. A nice jumbo shrimp. So let me just get some shrimp. All don't have to be same size kind of thing. Just very simple. Chop up the shrimp. Surf and turf. Basically meat and a seafood. And you can use any kind of meat you want. So let's get cracking now. Have my shrimp chopped up. Coleslaw, I have some white cabbage and some red cabbage that I want to get in there. I like color, so outside of just using white cabbage, I can use a mix of red cabbage and regular white cabbage. Some onions. Any ingredients you like in your coleslaw, you can put it in here. I love a little green peppers in my coleslaw. Some sweet peppers. And now I can add my protein. So as I told you, surf and turf. I have some lovely shrimp. And I just had some rotisserie chicken that I stripped off the bone. And I just will fold that in together. Get that all mixed in the veg. And simple old good mayonnaise. And some mustard. And fold. Touch of salt, touch of black pepper, surf and turf coleslaw. I love a creamy sandwich. I just want to make sure. And we're ready to get this sandwich prepared. So the Kiss Jumbo Buns is the perfect vessel for this sandwich. Lots of surface area. I'll do one for me and one for you. And all you want to do is a little bit of lettuce, just at the base. Nice base of lettuce. And a nice heaping spoon, couple spoonfuls of the surf and turf coleslaw. Chicken, shrimp, cabbage, some sweet peppers. If you have carrots, you could have thrown them in there as well. Nice hearty surf and turf sandwich on these lovely Kiss Jumbo Buns. And just for good measure, guys, I have some tomatoes that I just want to top on there. Look at that. Surf and turf coleslaw sandwiches. I can't wait. I want to bite into one. The chicken, the shrimp, all the lovely creaminess, and of course the Kiss buns, jumbo buns. Thanking the folks at Kiss for making it possible.